back to my Mexican kitchen here in Switzerland. Today I'm going to teach you how to make sopa de fideo or fideo soup, Mexican style. It's a soup that brings a lot of really nice memories to me because as a kid it's a soup that many moms make a lot, and now as a mom myself I understand why, because it is super fast to make. But I often remember being like really hungry at school when it was almost time to go home, and my brain would just be thinking fideo, I hope my mom made fideo. And then I would be hoping that she would send me to the tortilla shop to get some fresh tortillas, and then I could walk back home, roll up a tortilla and eat it while I made it back home. And I don't know, it's just something that brings a lot of nice memories. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video and making the recipe with me. The ingredients you need to make your fideo soup are 2 tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, 1 garlic clove, 1 bay leaf, 1 hungaro chili, or you can use whichever chili you have at hand, 2 teaspoons of tomato Knorr bouillon, 3 liters of homemade chicken broth, 250 grams of fideo, 4 tablespoons of oil. Okay, step number 1. The soup is super easy, so there's not many steps, but let's go by steps. Step number 1, we're going to put in our blender the tomatoes, the onion, the garlic, and the 2 teaspoons of the Knorr tomato bouillon, and we're going to process them. That's it. Is I have my chicken broth here. It's homemade chicken broth, like I told you guys. It has absolutely no salt. I cooked about 4 pieces of chicken, like chicken thighs I think they were, and all I did was add some onion. I think it was half an onion, 1 tomato, and about 5 garlic cloves. That's it, only to add some flavor to the broth, but it has no salt. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bay leaf in there, and the chili I'm going to do a little cut, and I'm going to put it in the broth so it starts flavoring it. And the next step is we're going to add the 4 tablespoons of oil. It's approximate. I usually just put some, and then when I see how much it is, then I stop adding the oil. Once the oil is hot, you're going to add your fideo, and you're going to be moving it around a lot until it gets kind of like a golden hay color. Once it has that color, you're going to add your puree, and you're going to stir it in a bit, leave it there for about a minute so it absorbs a bit more, and then after that minute, then you transfer it all into your pot, and I'll tell you the next step after that. Fideo, usually when you fry it, because the texture it has to be the fideo like we know it in Mexico, you need to fry it so it's not mushy. But usually people add quite a bit of oil. I try to avoid oil as much as I can. I do use it for cooking. I'm not against using it, but I try to use it in smaller quantities. So that's why you didn't see like a huge amount of oil, which usually makes your life easier because when you're frying, you don't have to, it fries more evenly. With me, it won't fry so evenly because it's less oil. If you guys want to add more oil, that's up to you. Another thing is, my mom used to do it like this, and many people, it's like, you don't want to use maybe so many pots. So what you can do is you can fry your fideo in the same pot and then add your tomato puree and then your broth and all the ingredients. I'm short, very short, so for me it's kind of hard to stir the fideo in a deep pot, so I usually just do it in a pan and then I just transfer it to the pot. For me it's easier that way, but if you guys don't want to dirty so many things, you can use just one pot and it'll work. And last but not least, You just have to let this cook for 5 minutes and you're done. Okay, so we're done with our fideo soup. It literally takes 7 minutes, probably even less, I don't know, but it's probably about 7 minutes. No wonder parents like making this so much. I mean, it's a time saver, kids love it. As an adult, you still like it. It's like this comfort food that makes you feel happy. And I love eating my fideo with some creme fraiche and avocado. Dice it up and put it in there. It's my favorite way to eat it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you keep watching all our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe. See you! Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.